Golly. That was rough. That. That. What did you just put on there?
Okay,
Mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put mustard.
Okay.
And guys, you can put any amount you like, okay? Because everything is to your taste.
Okay.
So mayonnaise, mustard. Now I'm going to put the Philadelphia cheese.
Philadelphia cheese.
Yes.
Man, that's from my hometown, Philadelphia cheese.
Specially done for Philadom.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I can't say thank you enough.
You're welcome.
And then you put
now, then the onions.
Onions, yeah.
No, sorry guys. It was not the onions. I love to put the meat first.
Okay.
Okay. Then the onions. Tomatoes. And some cream cheese.
Okay.
This is the sour cream, but the local one.
The local one. And everybody, a lot of Belizeans use that cream cheese?
Yes, this local sour cream. This is
Okay.
le llaman crema de vaca, mi gente.
Okay.
And then the lettuce, guys.
All right. You guys don't use ketchup or?
That's an option.
Okay. Look how big that sandwich is. Look at that, man. Man, one of them, two of them, you full forever. You don't got to eat no more food for the day. What's up, guys? How you doing today? You're rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom. I've been down and out these last couple of days, but I'm better now. I'm a lot better now. I've been down and out as far as just feeling a little bit under the weather, but I'm back. I'm 100% now. Let me make sure I don't crash or anything like that. I think I'm getting better and better on these bikes, man. Church right there, alright. We about to go off the forbidden path right here. The regular road runs out. Somebody forgot to pay the company so they can get a. Oh wow. Oh wow. Rocky. 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 Hey. Golly. That was rough. That was rough. Let you guys see everything. Danny girl. Yeah, I'm here. What? Yeah. Welcome. Thank you.
You can put your bike on the side.
On the side. Nobody won't take it. Cause it ain't my bike. It's the bike where I'm staying at. Yeah.
Right, the one that you have my bike.
Yeah. I'm here.
Oh, the bike light too.
Yeah. And you guys, yeah. You want to tell them anything about the restaurant?
Anyone?
You want to tell them anything about your restaurant?
Okay, we open every day at 5.
Okay.
Yes, and Tuesday to Sunday.
Uh-huh.
So, and he is the chef.
Chef.
Yes. Welcome.
And let him know the name. Let him know the name.
I'm Francisco Ruiz.
Okay.
We have the restaurant open for almost 25 years. We'll complete this November.
Okay.
Yes, November the 28th. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the name of the restaurant?
It's Sanny's Grill.
Sandy's Grill.
Yes.
Sandy's Grill.
Yes.
Yes, and guys, you're welcome
Uh-huh.
to have dinner. We have a wide range. We have a wide menu. Okay.
Okay.
One of our famous dishes is jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. Uh-oh.
Yes,
Yeah.
cilantro fish,
Uh-huh.
and many more.
Okay. Uh-huh. That's the restaurant in San Ignacio. This is where you're gonna have to eat right here. Guacamole, how long have you been doing your YouTube channel? How long has it been going?
Well, I started last year during the pandemic in the
Okay.
month of April.
Okay.
So actually, I have 1 year and a couple months now doing
Okay.
it.
That's all right. You got 1 year and a couple months. You hear that, guys? So make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna put the description right in here. And it's Guacamole, and she's Belizean, and she cooks Belizean dishes, American dishes, Mayan dishes, Spanish dishes, everything.
And right now, I'm doing Philly burgers for Philly Dom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
I usually don't eat burgers no more, but you know I can make an exception because everybody know I'm working on my high blood pressure issue and everything like that, and everything is going good. So I'm going to indulge in these burgers a day, but it's something I don't eat all the time, just to let you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that, but actually, if
Yeah.
I knew about it,
No, it's no problem. It's no
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
I'm not one of them people that be like, oh my God, I can't do this. You got some people that's vegetarians.
Okay.
They would not eat meat. And not knocking
Okay.
nobody, but they make everything like
Okay.
more than what it is. Oh, I can't eat a piece of red meat. Or
Okay.
if they're gonna die or fall out of the tree or something.
So it's just like now and
Yeah.
again. It's not
Yeah.
something that you do every time.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just watch my health more now than I ever did before.
Okay.
Look at the burgers. Again, thank you,
You're
thank you,
welcome.
thank
You're
you.
welcome, Philly Dom.
Thank you.
Don't forget the one and the only Philly
Be
Dom.
down. With the sandwich, what did you just put on there?
Okay.
Mayonnaise?
there- Mayonnaise.
Okay.
Now I'm going to put mustard.
Okay.
And guys, you can put any amount you like, okay? Because everything is to your taste.
Okay.
So mayonnaise, mustard. Now I'm going to put the Philadelphia cheese.
Philadelphia cheese.
Yes.
Man, that's from my hometown, Philadelphia cheese.
Specially done for Philly Dom.
Thank you
Okay,
so
guys?
much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't say thank you enough.
You're welcome.
And then you put
Now, then the onions.
onions, yeah.
No, sorry guys. It was not the onions. I love to put the meat first.
Okay.
Okay. Then the onions. Tomatoes. And some cream cheese. The
Okay.
this is the sour cream, but the local one.
The local one. And everybody, a lot of Belizeans use that cream
This,
cheese?
yes, this local sour cream. Este
Okay.
le llaman crema de vaca, mi gente.
Okay.
And then the lettuce, guys.
All right. You guys don't use ketchup or?
That's an option.
Okay. Look how big that sandwich is. Look at that, man. Man, one of them, two of them, you full forever. You don't gotta eat no more food for the day. All right, let's just see this. I'm gonna see them in a little bit. I came here to check out some stuff, got something to eat, and now we're gonna go ride on the bike. I'll see you guys a little later. I'll let you see the bike, man. I know y'all want to see the bike. It's what's Philly done riding out here. About to get back on the bike. I know y'all want to see it. Hold on. Yeah, I ate a burger over there, man. You guys know I don't eat red meat like that at all. Gave up on that, but they cooked me a burger, so I ate it. You know, I'm working on a high blood pressure, so I try to cancel out meat, but the burger was good, and I appreciate the hospitality, so I ate it. The burger, so I appreciate it. 2 of them to be exact. So now let's ride on this bike for a little bit so I can burn some of these calories and then make my way back to where I'm staying. It's rough getting up the hill, but I made it. me go down this. Whoa, almost fell. I can go in town through this way over here, down that hill, and make through to town. I gotta go back that way. Okay. And it's hard to ride a bike in some jeans. I learned my lesson on that. Thank you for the directions. Okay. All right. Was a little lost, but I found my way. Okay. I think I keep going straight. Right here? There we go. There we go. Let's see what this hill got to offer. Oh, I don't got to offer that much. I thought it was like a big hill. I'm racing up for nothing. Oh, dirt. Dust. Still look like nobody out, man. It's Tuesday, like nobody's out. Making it down this hill. Watch out for the van, Philly. Watch out for the car. Watch out for the van. Alright. Let's go. Right. Let's see what we gotta do. Yeah, man. Trying to get up this hill. Keep pedaling, keep pedaling. Come on, you got it. You got it, Philly down. You got it, Philly down. Yeah. And the real streets of San Ignacio. San Ignacio Belize. Cayo District. I'm gonna make this left here if I can. Let's make the left right here. And I know people want me to crash, but I doubt that really happened this time. I'm on it. I learned a lot from the last time I was here. Got better equipment now. Woo! Oh yeah. Got the basketball court right there. They can ball in Belize, man. The basketball court right there. They can actually ball here. Basketball is a serious thing here. People ball here in Belize, man. I'm not even joking. They can play basketball. And a lot of people don't know that. Yeah. Oh man. Running up. I don't even know where I'm going like that. I know the area somewhat, but I'm not like 100% sure where I'm at. I know where I'm at, but I don't know where I'm at, if that makes sense. If that made any sense to you. Also, please give my videos a like, share my videos. You rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom. You're hanging out with the one and only Philly Dom. I'm trying to get to the center of town so I can at least see what's going on. Woo-hoo. I don't know if I should make this right here or I should be going straight. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's go this way. I was next to a graveyard. St. Andrews. Kind of school. Right there. Alright, we're gonna keep pushing around. Let's keep doing it. Alright. I think I got some kind of I think I got some kind of understanding where I'm at. Like I know where I'm at right now. We almost here at the center of town. I got coconut water. I get some. This is another relaxing day out here. Supposed to go the other way. I had to play that one off. Let me recircle it because people was in the way. Anybody in Belize scared to get hit by a bike. I can see that now. Oh goodness, now there's cars in front of me. Probably something. Let me go around them. Let's go to 3. What's up, huh? What's up, brother? I tell you, it's burning up hot out here. It's burning up hot out here. How you doing? Good. You hear the breathing. Whew. It's a workout and a half, baby. I gotta do it. Keep pushing, Tilly. Hope you join the sights of Belize. Cause my legs are doing the burning. Almost at the. It hurts. It hurts when I pedal. Let's keep grinding. Whew. We're at the top. Whew. Oh man, it's there. Gonna keep going straight. Let you see this little area real quick. This came from downtown area, the center of town. Been on a bike in a while. So I'm getting acclimated with it again. And when I tell you it's burning out here, it's an understatement. It's hot for real. Oh shoot, pushing on through. Oh man. I was gonna go further. I'm gonna pack it up. Let you see where I'm at. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna pack it up. That's all, folks. I'm gonna go back to where I'm staying, get some rest, and do another video later, or more videos later, whatever you want to say. Oh man, I got the wrong clothes on to go bike riding. Next tomorrow I wear shorts. See you guys in the next video. Please give this video a like, share my videos, and more videos to come. You're rocking out with the one and only Philly Dom. You know, I ain't up on that clue stuff from back in the day.